In this video, I am going to show you how to use VidIQ Keyword Research Tool. This can help you optimize your videos and topics for your YouTube channel using this keyword research tool provided by VidIQ. The first step is to log in into your VidIQ website. You can find the link in the description. Next, you need to determine your video's topics. Having a clear and focused topic for your video is crucial. It helps you to narrow down your audience to those who are genuinely interested in your content and discover specific keywords and phrases your target audience might use to find content like yours. Now you have to create a list of descriptive phrases. Once you have a clear topic, brainstorm a list of words and phrases that best describes your video. This step is about capturing the essence of your video too. These phrases will serve as the initial pool of keywords that you believe are relevant to your video and by which your target audience might search for similar content. With your list of descriptive phrases ready, it's time to leverage a powerful tool to refine your keyword strategy. If you haven't already, subscribe to VidIQ Pro, ensure you have access to it to use its advanced features. Next, navigate to the VidIQ platform and click on the Keywords tab to access the Keyword Research Tool. Select a phrase from the list and paste it into your Keywords toolbar. Hit Enter to initiate the search. The tool will provide valuable insights, including monthly search volume, competitiveness, related terms, and additional questions people commonly ask related to your keyword. This analysis will help you understand which keywords worth targeting based on their search volume and competitiveness. It will also reveal related keywords and questions you might have not considered. Broaden your potential reach. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.